Setting up a psychology experiment and received an ESW file from your research lab? This is an experimental protocol from the leading behavioral research platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, run, and modify these E-Prime experiment files for your research studies. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an ESW file. Here's a sneak peek. ESW files are experiment workspace files created by E-Prime, the psychology and neuroscience experiment design software, from Psychology Software Tools. They contain complete experimental protocols with stimulus presentations, response collection, timing sequences, trial structures, randomization rules, and data logging configurations for behavioral and cognitive research paradigms. ESW files are experiment workspace files created by E-Prime, the psychology and neuroscience experiment design software from Psychology Software Tools. They contain complete experimental protocols with stimulus presentations, response collection, timing sequences, trial structures, randomization rules, and data logging configurations for behavioral and cognitive research paradigms. Typically, ESW files can be opened with E-Prime created by Psychology Software Tools. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows can identify the file but not its underlying structure, so compatible tools must be used. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the ESW file and click Open With. Test E-Prime first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If the ESW file is still giving you trouble, relax. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the ESW problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, opening an E-Prime. Launch E-Prime eStudio and open the ESW file using File then Open. The experiment structure displays in the hierarchical tree view showing procedures, trial list stimuli, and response objects. Review the experimental design by navigating through the object hierarchy and inspecting properties of individual stimulus and response collection elements. Next, running the experiment. With the ESW file open in eStudio, generate the experiment runtime by clicking Generate on the toolbar. Run the experiment using eRun, which presents stimuli, collects responses, and logs data according to the protocol. Configure participant number session parameters and connected response devices before starting each experimental session. Finally, modifying the protocol. Edit experiment parameters in eStudio by selecting objects in the structure tree and modifying their properties. Change stimulus text, images, timing durations, or response mappings in the Properties panel. Add or remove trial conditions in list objects and adjust randomization settings. Save modifications and regenerate before running updated experimental sessions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.